Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, March the 24th, 2023. We had another week of very high reward risk trades using the LCT London close trade strategy. And it was kind of funny. The beginning of the week, we didn't have any trades. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, there was nothing. Then Thursday, Friday, things perked up really, really nicely. So that's the way it is with trading. If you have the time and the inclination to trade short term, I don't know of a better strategy. Like, it's been really outstanding. And in the new updated LCT course, what we call LCT 2.0, I show you how to take these trades at other times of the day for those who can't be at their computers during the actual London close. Okay, anyway, for today, I'll show you just one trade from Thursday, March the 23rd, which members took, which I just love seeing. That's perfect. But just so you know, there were 3 early trades today, okay, Friday, March 24th, that were all really nice high reward winners, like as high as over 8 to 1 on one of them, over 7 to 1 on another one. That's the potential in the trade. Okay, I'm not saying that's what you're going to get. That depends on your trade management plan. Now listen, next Tuesday, March the 28th, 2023, I'm going to host another LCT webinar, and I'll update the performance since the new LCT 2.0 was launched on January the 16th. So if you missed that webinar or you just want to see the updated performance, be sure to register for this webinar. There's a link in the text below this video or in the email that you received. Okay, as always, please hit the like button if you like this video. I really do appreciate it. And subscribe to the channel. Also in the comments, let me know your biggest takeaway from this video. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, here is the March 23rd trade. So on this US CAD pair, so like on March the 23rd, which was Thursday, so like you know that we don't do anything unless we're at key levels of support resistance, right? So you can see on the 4-hour chart here. In fact, you can see on the daily and the 4-hour chart. I'll just show you on the daily chart. You can see that we came to this level right here where price had hit it and bounced off before going higher. So when it comes back, we're interested in this level. And you can see it on the 4-hour chart as well. I'll just show you here. It's right here. That's a really good level. And look at all of the support that held in here. So when you go down to our entry time frame on this pair, yeah, so the trade was right in here. Here's the 23rd. And this vertical line here is actually when we start looking for London close trades. But you can see the trade that happened was right in here. It was a buy down here. Down at 136.36, which was right down into, let me just get it sort of straight in here, right into this level, right into here. And it just chopped around for a minute, and then it took off straight up. This, like I say, this trade happened before the actual LCT time window, but I have rules in the new LCT 2.0 course about taking trades early, like this. And this one was just a little bit early. Some of them are much earlier. There was another potential in here, but this didn't qualify because we had some red flag news in here. We do not trade around red flag news, but by the time this trade set up, it was the red flag news was like an hour old, so it was fine, no problem. And look at this move up, and I just love it. Some of our members got this trade and just went straight up, and this got up over 8 to 1 reward risk on this trade before this blue line here, which is the rollover. And then, it came back. I'm not saying, I always tell you this, I'm not saying you're going to get 8 to 1. I'm saying the potential in these trades is gigantic. So have a plan. Maybe you like, these old levels like this, or Fibonacci extensions or something like that. I go over all different ideas like that in the course. But really, really nice trade on the US CAD. That was on the 23rd of March. By the way, let me go back out here again. I want to show you something here. Put this like this, back to here. If you look at this 4-hour chart, do you say that that's a good level of resistance? Are you kidding me? That's a great level of resistance. So it goes up, makes its range again today to the upside. So in other words, it's extended. So we're looking for the possibility of a sell today. This is early as well. Okay, way before. Here's the London close time window. This set up well before it. And look at this move down here. This is an actual beauty right here. The sell on this was at the up at the figure here at 138, which in itself is significant. And what a nice move down this was. This was just got up more than 4 to 1 before rallying, and then now look at it right now. So I don't know what it's up right now, but obviously a really, really big trade. So a couple of early trades for you. And that's one of the features of the new course, is that I've got a section on taking these trades early, because not everybody can be around at the LCT time window. Okay, so as you can see, when you can take on super small pip risk trades with very, very high accuracy like these are, you have great potential to make outsized gains like this. So if you want to see how and why these trades work so well and so consistently, or maybe you just have questions about the strategy, or you just simply want to see the updated spreadsheet of all these trades, since I've been recording them, I started that in October of 2022. Be sure to register for the webinar on Tuesday, March the 28th. Even if you can't make it, because I'll be recording the webinar, and we'll send the recording out to anyone who registers. Alrighty? Thank you so much, everyone. Hope you all have a great weekend. Take care.